Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at the quotient law of logarithms, which tells us that the logarithm of a quotient of values is the difference of the logarithms of the dividend and divisor. The dividend would be what is occurring in the numerator, and the divisor would be what is occurring in the denominator. We have the general rule here. It's also on our formula sheet. Log base b of m over n is equal to log base b of m minus log base b of n. Notice that the logarithm's base has to be consistent. For the first problem, we are being asked to fully simplify the common log of 10 minus the common log of 5. We currently have a subtraction, so we are going to be moving in the direction of writing it as a log of a quotient. That would give us log with 10 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator, which can be written as log 2, common logarithm of 2. For the next problem, we're actually going to have to use both the product law of logarithms and the quotient law of logarithms. You'll see why in just a moment. So we're asked to fully expand. That means each argument should be a single value or a single variable. So let's have a look. Let's first notice that we definitely have a numerator and a denominator. So let's use our quotient law to expand. We'd have log base 2 of 5x minus log base 2 of y. We can now further expand log base 2 of 5x because technically that is a product. So that can be written as a sum of logarithms. Log base 2 of 5 plus log base 2 of x. And then we would still have the minus log base 2 of y. This is now fully expanded because each argument is a single value or a single variable. Finally, for the last one, we're asked to write log base a of 20 as a difference of two logarithms. To do that, we are first going to think of a quotient that produces a result of 20. So there's infinitely many possibilities, but an easy one would be 40 divided by 2 is 20. Let's go with that. So I'm simply going to replace 20 with something that is equivalent to 20, but written as a quotient. So we can agree that 40 over 2 is equivalent to 20. And now that we have the logarithm of a quotient, we can write this as a difference of two logarithms. Log base a of 40 minus log base a of 2. Let's box that one off. There we go. Thanks. We'll see you next time.